called brackish water. The summertime, it's more fresh than it is salty because of all the rain and the runoff from the wetlands. And as we get into winter and the rain subsides and these creeks dry up, this water starts to get salty. That's why you don't see many alligators in this area during the winter. Alligators don't like salt water, they like fresh water. So they'll move further inland, stay there until the rainy season starts again, and they spread back out to these areas. What am I here for?
Looks like you've done this before.
Never seen them.
I don't know, I definitely see a resemblance. You sure they're not little brothers?
You have that same glasses look on you, you know?
They pull my hair like I'm a...
That's right.
Like a sibling?
I know, you're thirsty. Here. Here.